Right, hi guys. So what we're going to do today, got my Porsche here, Porsche Boxer, and we're going down to a car meet in Port Solent. I'll put the link to the meet and stuff. They happen there every second Sunday and last Sunday of every month. So on my car, because when you close the door, the air needs someone to get out. So my window here, it pops out a little bit. So all I've done, I've tried a few things, but some of them didn't work. So today we're going tiger seal. We're going to try a tiger seal, see if that works. If that doesn't work, then I'll have to take it to a proper garage and get it done properly. But this is a cheap one, only like £11 online on eBay and stuff. So we try this, see if it works. Hopefully it will, and I'll let you guys know. Also as well, because of when your car has all the little scratches in it. So I see this on TikTok, and apparently it gets rid of all the scratches in your car. So unless they're like faint scratches, so scratches like, hopefully, like this. If you can see it there, I can try and get rid of some of these scratches on my car, and then I'll wash it and stuff, and like here, and just hopefully get rid of these, and then when I wash it and clean it and stuff, I get it all nice and ready for when I go to the car meet on Sunday. And then hopefully, if it's good enough condition, I can put my car in the show in Port Solent. So right, let's go. We're gonna give it a go and see if it works. Hopefully it will, and it'll be job done. And then just literally wash her, clean her, get her all sparkling ready for tomorrow, and cover her up for tomorrow morning, and then job's done. Hopefully, and then it should be all good. And I'll let you know let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and we'll see what happens. See if this works. So we give it an hour, and we're just gonna give it all time to dry and stuff. And have a look, see if it's all done, and let's gonna see if we can try and get some of these scratches out, and see if we can get them all out. That'd be amazing. But otherwise, it's just going to be a complete waste of time and money. I won't endorse the product if it's good. Alright, well, that one didn't work. Did it work? That one has. So what it does is it gets rid of the faint ones. That one's gone. Right, okay, so it gets rid of the faint ones. So it gets rid of the faint ones, not the actual big ones. So if you've got ones that are deeper, it gets rid of, so it gets rid of the faint ones, not the big ones. So it's up to you if you want to buy it. It's not overly great. Probably when we wash it, I'll be able to get rid of it even more. Yeah, it gets rid of the big. That one's gone. So one of the big ones are gone on the side, so that's good. Right, let's go around the back end of it. Yeah, that one's gone. There's one under here, isn't there? Right. Right. Okay. So we have good and we have bad. Good news is, look, unfortunately that mine must be a deeper scratch, but the other ones, the littler ones, are all gone. Not in there at all, which is great. So all the little ones I had the 3 here, didn't I? And the one big one, that's gone. The one on here is gone, so that's right. There was one along here, which is gone. And there was one that was back around here, wasn't it? Which is gone. So that's good. Also as well, we've still got to do this, still got to fix this. Tiger still's done, holding well. That's perfect. So I've just got to wait for that to dry, and then I come in and get like a Stanley blade, and I'll get rid of all this and make it all nice and neat and stuff. So 2 out of the 3 I'm extremely happy with. And what I do now is I'll just leave that there to dry a little bit more and come and cut it off. I'll go and get the other stuff from my car and we'll give her a wash, make her look shiny again, get it ready for the car meet for tomorrow, and we'll see what's going on. What we're going to do now is we'll give her a nice and clean, get her all nice and ready for car meet tomorrow. So I've been using this for TikTok. It's like £22. So I mean, what you got to look at is how much you normally spend at a car wash. You normally spend about anything from 12 to £14 every time. You go there, don't you? Because anything lasts for like about 2 or 3 minutes, and then you have to pay another £2. So anyway, I went off to TikTok, bought this for TikTok, see if it's any good, and hopefully we'll give it a try. If it's not, I'll endorse it and leave all the descriptions for it. But if it's a load of rubbish, then I will tell you to not buy it. So we'll see. Let's have a look and we'll see. Right, okay. Now, so then, pull it out. Battery is locked in. Sometimes the cable on it gets stuck. And put it in. Right, put it in there. Not working at all. Absolutely rubbish. Completely rubbish. Don't even work at all. It's only 22 quid, which is really annoying. So now we have to clean it the other way.
I'm looking for number 12.
Number 12, it's over there.
Oh, thank you.
See, with what I did as well before, and the resin, so that now, if any birds got a toilet in your car, they flies off. So that's why it's looking like this. As you can see, like on all of it here, that was actually really good. It was only about £12–15. Right. Nice and shiny for tomorrow. And the front one as well. Good. Okay. Okay, now we have to do the last wheel to do, and we are done. See what I mean, the difference of it, having all the resin on the car, because I sprayed it and it's really good and it protects it. But I mean, that pen gets rid of little scratches, not big ones, so which is fair enough. I mean, so she's clean. What I'll do, again, back it, just to be sure. I'll let you guys know.